What's up, guys? Welcome back to Business Funding Tips. I'm your host, Abel J. Fernandez, CEO and founder of SourcifyLending.com. And in this video, I will be explaining the importance of why you should have a website. Guys, we're in 2023. There's really no excuse for you not to have a website for your business. The reason why, one, on a marketing standpoint, and for your customers to see that you are an actual business, it's important to have a website for your business. Another reason why, when it comes to the funding side of things, right, or trying to get a business credit card or even funding from a lender, a lot of funders and lenders, even when it's time to establish business credit, one of the single most important things that they want to see is that you have a website for your business. If you don't have a website for your business, it can hinder you from getting access to working capital. Also, not having a website for your business can definitely turn away a lot of potential customers. Let's say you're out prospecting or you're building relationships and they see that you don't have a website, it can definitely turn down a lot of business, and then they'll end up going with another competitor that has their website. So guys, make sure, it's 2023. You should definitely have a website. It's not expensive. If you need help with building a website, we can definitely help. We have the resources, but definitely have a website for your business, especially now in 2023. That's the digital age. You not having a business, a website for your business, it's like not having a business card. All right, see you guys on the next Business Funding Tips.